Have you ever argued with your best friend because of a painting? What if one simple drawing turned into a funny competition? Stay until the end, because today's story will teach you real American English, useful vocabulary, and an important lesson about listening before judging.
Blue here, a little yellow. Perfect! This painting is almost finished. I love painting in the morning. It makes me feel calm.
Hey, Anum. Good morning.
Hi, Umair. Come in.
How are you today?
I'm great. What about you?
I'm hungry and a little bored.
That's normal for you.
Wow. Are you painting?
Yes, it's for the neighborhood art festival.
Really? It looks interesting.
Interesting?
I mean, is it a sunset or a giant orange pancake?
Very funny.
I'm just joking.
It doesn't sound like a joke.
Come on, don't be so serious.
You always make fun of my paintings.
I don't.
Yes, you do.
Fine. Maybe I can paint better than you.
Really?
Yes.
Then let's have a painting challenge.
Deal.
We have 30 minutes.
That's more than enough.
We'll paint the same thing.
What?
That flower vase.
Easy. Almost done.
Just one more brushstroke.
Hello.
Hi, Sara.
Why are there paintbrushes everywhere?
Umair laughed at my painting.
Really?
Then we started arguing.
Can I see your painting?
Of course.
Wow. These colors are beautiful.
Thank you.
It doesn't look funny at all. That's what I wanted him to understand. Hey, Umair.
Hi.
Why did you make fun of her painting?
I didn't mean to hurt her.
Then why did you say it looked like a pancake?
I thought it would be funny.
Sometimes jokes don't feel funny to other people.
You're right.
Did you even ask what she was painting?
No.
Maybe you should listen first, then joke later.
I guess I made a mistake. Anum,
Yes?
I'm sorry. I spoke before I understood your painting.
Thank you for saying that.
Friends?
Friends.
But let's still compare our paintings.
Sure.
Wait.
What?
Why does my flower vase look like a watermelon?
Because you painted too fast.
I think you're right.
Maybe next time, I'll teach you.
Please do.
Painting isn't only about talent.
That's true.
It's about patience, practice, and encouraging each other.
I'll remember that.
Good artists improve every day. And good friends support each other.
Great job! Today's words. Challenge, a difficult competition. Brushstroke, one movement of a paintbrush. Encourage, to give someone confidence. Judge, to form an opinion too quickly. Embarrassed, feeling shy because of a mistake. Why did Anum become upset? A. Umair broke her paintbrush. B. Umair arrived late. C. Umair joked about her painting. D. Sara won the challenge. Leave your answer in the comments. Today's lesson is simple. Before you judge someone's work, understand it first. Kind words can inspire people. Careless jokes can hurt people. Keep practicing your English every day, and remember, every conversation helps you become more fluent. See you in the next story. Goodbye!